Hello and welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the Marilyn Darling Show. I am early because I'm on lunch, and I have to do this before my lunch is over. So, welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the Marilyn Darling Show. Welcome to another episode of 30 Inks, 30 Days. Today, we are doing a purple ink from Colorverse Heyabusa Glistening. Thanks go out to pen friend Liz for providing the sample for this review. Today's pen will be using the Noodler's Conrad with a fountain pen Revolution Ultra Flex nib. And I gotta tell you, so far this is a beautiful ink. Here's our comparison panel. It has some nice, what I want to call copper shimmer. It's beautiful. It's just fantastic. Here's our ink swatch. And water resistance test shows that I might not want to use this on the outside of an envelope. One, because it's shimmery, and I don't know if the post office likes that. And two, because I don't know if it would be mislabeled. So, that is that. This is our ink splotch. It's nice. It's nice and shiny. I like it. And here's our ink swatch, toilet paper chromatography. I see like a purple, and then the rest is like pink, like fades to a nice pink color, which is very interesting. Alright, let's take a look at the Pen and Gear memo book from Walmart.com. Feather like a chicken. But it didn't go through the page. Let me get in here real close. There we go, that's better. It did go through the page just a little bit. This is super lightweight traveler's notebook paper. No feathering. Couldn't tell if it's bleeding or ghosting because the paper is so thin. This is lightweight traveler's notebook paper. Is it gonna let me have some? Alright. No feathering. No bleeding, no ghosting. Tiny bit of ghosting. This is Moleskin 70 GSM. Feather like a chicken. Bled right through the page. I would not use fountain pen ink on this paper. This is 100 GSM Ayush. No feathering. Nice shimmer. No bleeding, no feathering, no ghosting. This is 52 GSM Tomoe River paper. No feathering. No bleeding, no ghosting. This is 80 GSM Rhodia dot pad. Come on. There we go. No feathering. No little bit of ghosting. This is the Jot Journal from the Dollar Tree. Does look like it's trying to feather into the page. And it did ghost through. I would not use the back side of this paper. Alright, this is 80 GSM Nemesine. It looks like it's trying to spread into the page, and it did go through the page. Oxford Optic paper. No feathering. Bleeding and ghosting. I would not use the back side of this paper. Clairefontaine 90 GSM. No feathering. No bleeding. Little bit of ghosting though. Lamy booklet 90 GSM. I'm like, why isn't it? That's why. No bleeding, no ghosting. Little bit of bleeding, little bit of ghosting. The Premier Premium Journal from the 99-cent store. Feathered like a chicken, bled through the page. I would not use the backside of this paper. Exceed 100 GSM heavyweight paper from Walmart.com. No feathering. Little bit of ghosting. I might not use the backside of this paper. This ink is bleeding through almost everything. Unison composition book. Here's the real test. Let's see. No feathering. No bleeding, no ghosting. This is good paper. If you guys are considering getting a new notebook, Unison composition book. Alright, this is True Red composition book from Staples.com. Feathered like a chicken. Bled right through the page. I would not use the backside of this paper. Fabriano Eco Qua 85 GSM. No feathering. Barely any ghosting. 68 GSM to my river paper. No feathering. No bleeding, no ghosting. U-style notebook paper. It did feather into the page. And it did bleed through. That red and is transfer, but you can see where it bled through. Alright, this is another good test. CVS Caliber notebook paper. No feathering. No bleeding, no ghosting. Oxford notebook paper. No feathering. No bleeding, no ghosting. Mead wide roll notebook paper. Feathered like a chicken. Bled right through the page. I would not use the backside of this paper. 5-star notebook paper. It does look like it's feathering like a chicken, and it did ghost through the page. HP Premium 32-pound copy paper. No feathering. Barely any ghosting. J&B Copperplate Graph Pad from JohnNeilBooks.com. No feathering. But it did bleed through the page. I would not use the backside of this paper. Acme cross-section pad. No feathering. But it did bleed through the page. I would not use the backside of this paper. This is the original Crown Mill 100 GSM paper. No feathering. But it did bleed through the page. I would not use the backside of this paper. So, this is a very bad ink. I would not buy this ink. Unless you were using it on Unison composition book or CVS Caliber notebook paper. Heyabusa. Alright, let's look at some comparison panel. Oops. This is let's find some little be relatable. Here is Lamy Mixable Violet, Fake Lamy Dark Lilac, Actual Lamy Dark Lilac, Monteverde Rose Noir, Diamine Purple Dream, Diamine Majestic Purple, Pilot Mixable Violet, KWZ Brown Pink, Stipula Dark Red, Laban Zeus, Diamine Bougainvillea Purple, Stipula Purple, Birmingham Pen Company Province Lavender, Monteverde Sapphire, Diamine Lavender, Monteverde Purple Rain, Diamine Festive Joy, Monteverde Birthday Cake, Noodler's Bay State Grape, Freedom of the Starry Skies Purple, Diamine Damson, Pendivius 270, Robert Oster Barossa Gilt, Pilot Iroshizuku Murasaki Shikabu. These are similar. Birmingham Andy Warhol Pop Art Purple, Mont Blanc Psychedelic Purple, Twisby Royal Purple, SWS Griffin Purple, Waterman Tender Purple, Chabon Amethyst Dillarel, Pannonia Organa Lilac, Cross Violet, Diamine Imperial Purple, Diamine Harmony, Jabon Violet Boreal, Organic Studio Eggplant, Diamine Winter Miracle, Harkos Violet, Tasha Murasaki Purple, Diamine Bilberry, Noodler's Brexit, Birmingham Gooseberry, Diamine Little Mickey, Diamine Nightshade, Diamine Amazing Amethyst, Diamine Phillip, Diamine Mombado's Hat, Monteverde Amethyst, Robert Oster Dragon's Knight, and Private Reserve Ebony Purple. What did you guys think of today's ink? Are you guys looking for a nice purple with some gold shimmer? Gotta be careful on the paper though, because it is going to feather or bleed. That is all for today. I want to thank you all for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed that one. I hope that you learned something. Please share this video with your friends. Follow me on social media. Like, comment, subscribe, ring the little bell. Make sure it's set to all so when I upload new content, YouTube notifies you. And I will be back very soon with another video. So take care until then. Okay, love you, bye.